sealdaw hupag-amol-amol lalangan kaula-ula.
Adlaw nga Wednesday karon sa ato pa upat katulog na lang moabot na ang Sunday, and that will be the day sa August 24 that we are going to launch our car free Sunday sa ato pa kining around City Hall kining a loop din ang tang tibuok kalsada will be closed and only people will have access encouraging healthy and active lifestyle para sa atong katawhan. This is part of our long-term plan to make our roads in the city people-centered and not too car-centric. Aside from this part here, natay mga uban pang gina-identify na posibleng himuon po na car-free pag-abot sa panahon. And we invite everyone to take part in this beautiful celebration. Daghang salamat, kita-kits karong Domingo.